At this perfection that we have, and without any doubt you will say, La ilaha illallah. If the sun would get a mile or so closer to the earth, it will burn everyone on it. If it goes a little bit further, a mile away, it will be freezing. If the moon comes a little bit closer or goes a little bit further, the tide will make the whole earth drown. Who's controlling this? Nature. Ya akhi, let me meet nature. Maybe you never know, maybe we can hook up. What is this? What is nature? There is nothing as nature. There is the creation of Allah Azza wa Jal. Look at your human body. Look at the eyes, how
وكتاب ربي لي سلاح وكتاب ربي لي سلاح وكتاب ربي